Howdy friends, Cal here, Grand Bay Marine, and we are featuring our boat of the month. And this month, we are standing in the 2022 Berkshire 24CL, and this is a 2.75, and that means it's a tri-tune with all the features of a tri-tune, so you can ski and tube. You've got hydraulic steering, lifting strakes, bigger gas tank, and the list goes on and on. This is a super cool model. I thought I'd give you just a little thumbnail sketch and a quick walkthrough on this boat. So let's start up front here with these huge lounger seats. And these are, this furniture is made with the soft touch vinyls. All of these seat bases are what they call rotocast. And so it's a high density plastic seat base that'll never break down or lose its shape. So this comfortable furniture will serve you and your family year after year. Couple things about the design of the furniture that I want to point out are these extra high back seat rests, and this, it just hits you in a nice spot on your back. It allows you to comfortably sit in the boat. If you've got little ones and they're kneeling on these seats, you're not going to worry that they're going to fall right outside the boat with the lower style furniture backs. But nice deep seats here, they're very comfortable. And again, with these soft touch vinyls, they not only look good, but they're soft to the touch and they're going to last year after year. This is a premium vinyl that Berkshire offers. One of the other things that I love about their furniture here is that the seat bases are wrapped in vinyl. Again, fit, finish, detail. This is a gorgeous boat here. Has a 4-speaker Bluetooth stereo system. And as we move toward the console, you're going to see, again, a lot of attention to detail. Here's your Bluetooth stereo, the controls, full gauge cluster here, nice windscreen, tilt steering, and then a fully functioning high back captain's chair here that spins around and goes forward and backwards. The armrests go up and down. It's really comfortable for the captain who's going to be running this boat. Now, as we get to the back of the boat here, this is what they call the lounger style, and that's where you get the CL Cruise Lounge. That's what the CL stands for. But it gives you a really nice social seat. And again, if you spin this captain's chair around, you got a really nice area to entertain your friends and your guests. One of the other things that I like about this boat, and a lot of our customers like, is having a little bit of space in the back of the boat dedicated for your things. If you've got a big Yeti cooler or some fishing rods, or maybe you have pets and you want a place for the pets to lay out, this is a great area. And so not every square inch is taken up by furniture, but allows you some flexibility to kind of design this space however you'd like. On the very back of the boat, nice swim platform, bridge area to walk around, get on and off of the boat, stainless steel ski tow bar, and a 4-step telescoping stainless steel swim ladder. Last but not least, in this sun pad here underneath it, we've got a changing room. So this is great for those long afternoons on the water. You could easily store a Porta Potty in here, or if the sun's going down and everybody wants to change out of their suit into their sweaties, this is a great place. It gives you an extra measure of privacy. So for more information about this or any of the other pontoons that we have in stock, get a hold of us, 231-943-0333. You can call or text that line anytime. We've got special financing and, of course, boat show pricing for our spring delivery. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.